April ni som pathum sang ni som ni parukani le Donald Trump an Strait of Hormuz a block fek to ni je chu long engma lu theilawa long engman ron chuak theilawa ni Strait of Hormuz atang hian ama ka chodin Iran khan Strait of Hormuz a block khan long lem zong kha chun ron chuak thei ni Iran te ne na in lei chi na nei thadeu kha chumo ama ro chu Trump ate hianin you know reverse han tiang deu khanin long engma chuak theilo tur khan an ron siam ta mak maya hemi chungcha a hianin Trump an ramdang te po warning a penga la ni hemi chungcha kan reaction ma hianin hei zo stream Android mobile application app hi kan thri lok chewa he Android mobile application app atang hianin movie hmunom tak tak ke drama Hollywood serial engkim mi zo tanga le lin sa vek en theya Google Play Store chang na download theya Android smart TV a man thei boka he zo stream app mi zo rama chonin pay per view le subscription platform in kom ma saberania tin kan subscribe naman milzelin account point share thei zo stream app hi Google Play Store chang na download ula mi zo tanga le lin sa movie hmunom tak tak en nan ilo mangdo na ni ole tuna chonin kan react nang.
In just a few hours, the U.S. blockade on the Strait of Hormuz goes into effect. Meanwhile, President Trump making it clear to another adversary, China, about the consequences if they play ball with Iran.
I hear.
Yes, hey mo, country lock zewa, hey Strait of Hormuz ani. Ama ka chonin long claim te an chuak thei. Iran ram ne na in lei chin na nei thadeu hlek ram kha chu entinan Pakistan te, India te, China, Russia, chuan Bangladesh te pon nimi khang ram claim te kha khang oil phur long te kha Strait of Hormuz atang hian an chuak thei ani amaro chu tuna hianin Trump palle Israel chun tel karing lawa Trump ate hianin hey Europe kal turte Asia lama kal turte heng long zong hi Trump ate lampang hianin an dang vek don ani an Navy mangin United States Navy mangin kaltang lui tumte chu United States lampang hianin an lo kap du mai theya hey hi ngwai nge Trump ate nan ti kan ti chuan Iran pressure let na nan ti ani hetianga Trump ate nan ti chuanin ama ka chuanin Iran in Strait of Hormuz a block khan khovel ram zong in deu thoin Trump laka henin pressure an pe ani ti tolo mero hey Strait of Hormuz on khara thilman na to zelan tia tuna chuanin Trump hian hetianga thilaron ti chia hian ram zong hianin Iran hi pressure an pe vele theidon angai na kha an nei ani Trump ati hian mo chu he an plane hi an mani tan a thadon lo kan lo thlir zelang
China about the consequences if they play ball with Iran.
I hear news reports about China giving the shoulder missiles, what's called a shoulder missile, anti-aircraft missile. I doubt they would do that because I have a relationship and I think they wouldn't do that.
Trump hian ni tiang ron soya ama tong ngai ani report then khat ka ri ani so report atang chuan China lampang te hian in shoulder missile hi Iran an pedon ni na langa shoulder missile chu anti aircraft missile thona ka thak theina tur missile ani ama ro chu hi China lampang hian in an ti du ka ring chi lawa a chan chu China te nen hian in lei chi na tha kan neya kan inkar kan relationship hi a thang reng khop maya China te nen chuan atiani.
But maybe they did a little bit at the beginning, but I don't think they would anymore. No.
Ati lampa hachuanin China hianin Iran hi apui deu angin ka ria missile te po kha an pe ni nge na langa.
But if we catch them doing that, they get a 50% tariff, which is that's a staggering amount.
Amaro chu China lampang hi anronin rol ani ngai chuanin 50% tariffs. A omang tin Trump hianin China hena hian warning aron pe ani. That mina.
Here we go again. Senate Intel Committee Chair Tom Cotton joins us now. Senator, you saw that over the weekend, that China evidently is going to give a missile defense system, possibly, and shoulder man pads over to China. President took action, it seems, directly. That's not going to fly.
Donald Trump ang idana ni lawa. Ang idana ni law do ti kha chu chiang sa niya. Trump hian hian in action na lang hala ni.
Yeah, Brian, I can't confirm or deny that specific report, as the president didn't either. But obviously, we would not tolerate such behavior from the Chinese.
He pa chuanin kha thudik ani nge ni lo ti kan confirm theilawa Trump pa po khan ron confirm chuang lawa ron tile dei maya amaro chu China lampang ina khatianga an ti ni chuanin ke ni chuanin enge arul le na nin action kan la ve hal zelang ati
Chinese, and I'm confident, as the president said, they understand that, and that senior officials have made that clear to Chinese counterparts. China really needs to engage here on Iran, a terrorist state trying to close the Strait of Hormuz.
China hi Iran la ka hian action la tur zo ka nia Strait of Hormuz se khar an tum mek an khar mek boka chu wan chon in China hian in Iran la ka iran la ka hianin action la zok turani atiani
because China gets the lion's share of the oil coming out of the Middle East. Now that we've imposed a blockade on the strait on all ships, if all ships don't get out, China is really the one that's going to face the brunt of the pain.
India in oil a lak lu zong zong za som ruk vel hin in ka sia Strait of Hormuz kal tang hian in la luta chuan China po hian in za som nga vel hi la lut tlatin ka sia news report ka hre sual mai thei ka hre sual ni chuan Russia pon la lut nuala khang zong zong a kha tuna chuanin a to vek to don ani a chan chu US hian heting hian ron ti le deuh ta thut boxia long zong zong an chhuak thei don lo ani chuanin long pakhat ma Strait of Hormuz atang hian an ron chhuak lawang an kaltang lawang te in United States Navy te chuan tuna hian in Strait of Hormuz an block ta vek mai ni hei hian nge thila thlen dong ati chuanin enge hei han ti hlo thone mo han soi thei te ka tum chuang lo ama ro chu hatianga oil engma aron kal lo ani chuanin gas man te petrol te diesel te chuanin zinvei wa man shrim shrim ate tin thil siam chua na man te kha atawanga kha nin thil man te kha ati to mai theya hei hi keima ngai dan chau poni lo hi chu thil theng dan ve shrim shrim ania ama po khan ron zoi to homo chu van chonin US ina hetianga an ti hi US tan hian a thadon nge Iran tan hian a thadon tuna henin kan thiranga ramthan kha chuanin tiang khanin tilo khan Iran ten en thadakin indoor tumula enge low block bel cha su u te po ramdang te chuanin United States te henin anti mai theya amaro chu United States le atho pui te chuanin inti thalu tu ke he tiang ani chuanin nangmani a pressure om to don lawa Iran in Strait of Hormuz hianin long zong zong kaltang an phal chuan nangni chuanin enge hetianga in block te po inti top mai dona chuwan chuanin in thil ti hi a thalu tu ke te po kha anti vele thei thawani.
And that means if China sends a tanker in, they're going to be told, turn around, you can wait here, but you're not going forward. This is a stare down.
Yeah, it's really akin to what we've done with Venezuela for several months. The president's point is very simple to Iran. Either all ships come out or no ships come out.
Long zong zong an ron chuak thei lawan I chuanin long pakhat ma an ron chuak lawang te Donald Trump adu dan ani ya hetiang deuh hlek in Venezuela chunga po action an lo la to ni na langa United States lampang hian mo kan hrechewa Russia tangin oil phur long te hatiang ang chi kha Venezuela lampan khanin kal tharui rui maya United States Navy ten an lo block si United States Navy ten kha Russian oil phur long kha an lo be don nge don lo ti kha kha mi zong zong ngai ven ani ama ro chu Trump chuanin thalom poi hleinem emergency service te an mamo ve a Venezuela mi puite pon atia an lo ti le ke umai box ya Trump ala khan ti chuanin Russia oil phur long khan Venezuela kha athleng ta anga ngai kha ani tuna hen hetiang hianin Trump hian in action aron la le engtin nge boruak aso sang chho zel do nin alanga tat maina hetiang ani lai hianin Israel chuanin Lebanon abe reng kan ti to homo ni rei lo te chungin mi sang ni chuang inuna an chan to ni na langa Lebanon chim lama hianin Israel sipai te hi an la chena sakhop maya Israel sipai te chuanin Lebanon chim lampang hi enge lak an tum khop maya ni ti top mai ngo lak an tum khop maya chuan Iran lampang le US lampang hi anin do chun zom mai a hlau oma arin om deuh boka tin Turkey te Russia China te po hi an ron in rol palang ti te po hlau mani Pakistan lampang in hetiang hianin in biak na hi ati chun zom le theilo ni chuanin a buai thak don khop mai ani India po hianin kan tur lawang ti kha soi thei mi lawani ole ati zong kha tun tum news atana kan han react thei chuani Trump ate an chetran ta hetiang hianin ron block ta vek mai ani video le in le theu do ne